Alright, chat. Exciting day. I'm going to pick up my truck from the wrap shop. Dad's picking me up. We're going to go check it out. What's up?
Up.
What are we doing?
Taking a drive.
Yeah, we are. About an hour.
We can do that.
We're going to record.
And record what?
Alright, you excited?
I'm excited. Ready for a nap.
You're about ready to wrap your car too?
But yeah, we could wrap the car.
Let's do it.
Too expensive.
I think you should get the Cybertruck and we'll wrap it. Cybertruck and we'll wrap it.
Not me. I like that.
Want to do blue like that?
No, I want the car.
Oh, you like the Mustang?
Yeah.
Alright, he said he has a customer at 4, so if we get there at 3:30, 3:45, that'll be good.
How long does it take to get there?
Like 45 minutes.
Well, we'll be there by 3:30.
Perfect. Here goes Gardens. Alright, you see it right here, coughs? Hit it right. He's got his truck wrapped. Ooh, there it is. Yeah. Damn, that looks sick. Wow.
Man, they make it look brand new.
Yeah, it does look brand new. Hell yeah. Let's check it out. Sheesh. Rouer Construction. What do you think of that, Dad?
Cool.
How you feel about your name on that thing?
It's pretty cool.
Wow. Got the blueprints. That looks sick. Alright, so look, this one is the apartments. This was gonna be I think this is Jess's house. This one is, what is this? Yeah, this is Jess's house.
So
It's
these
got
are
the porch.
all real blueprints.
Yeah, these are all things that we've done. This is my house. So there's the proposed pool. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool. We got a nice place to do it.
Yeah. It's crazy. That's why they do it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Pulling up to the crib.
Wow,
What's up?
it looks amazing. Oh, I love the white. Oh, it looks so good. Check out your center console.
Thanks.
Wow.
Look at that.
How pretty.
Boom.
New car.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the detail.
Isn't it crazy?
They did so good.
Yeah. They do a really nice job cutting around everything.
Where's my house? Is my house? Which one's mine?
Your house is on the back. Right here. See? existing, proposed pool, garage edition.
It's my house. I sleep in here.
Isn't that cool?
That is so cool.
Like, it even goes up here.
It feels so nice.
Yeah. Brand new truck.
Let's see the back. Whoa! That's so cool. It looks awesome.
Yeah, they did a great job.
Very good.
Boom.
Here, let me see you.